Hello everyone and welcome to the CUPRA Singapore showroom. In this video, we're going to present to you the CUPRA Ateca. Welcome back. So what makes the CUPRA Ateca so special, and why would this be the ideal option for you if you're in the market for a mid-size SUV? As the first vehicle launched under the CUPRA brand, the Ateca offers an ideal balance between performance, safety, comfort, and functionality. Let's take a look from the outside. Already designed to be strikingly bold and instantly recognizable, the language expressed by the CUPRA Ateca is one of performance. The newly refreshed front bumper, grille, and full LED headlights are dynamic in both composition and intent. Moving to the side profile, the distinctive 19-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels makes the Ateca instantly distinguishable even while on the move. At the back, Quad Sports exhausts nestle in a dynamic diffuser, rear spoiler, and its integrated full LED tail lamp system complement the Ateca's athletic aerodynamic styling. Now all that aggressive posturing will be pointless without the performance to back it up, and the CUPRA Ateca does just that. Powered by a 2-liter turbocharged TSI engine that produces 300 horsepower with 400 Nm of torque and mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch DSG transmission, the CUPRA Ateca is capable of accelerating to 100 km/h from a standstill in 4.9 seconds and hitting a top speed of 247 km/h. The rigid chassis is connected to a 4-drive all-wheel drive system and works in perfect harmony with the Ateca's dynamic chassis control system, as well as the CUPRA drive profile, which allows you to switch between comfort, sport, CUPRA, individual, off-road, and snow options. Since we're on the insides, let's take a look at some of the other features offered in the CUPRA Ateca. The first thing you'll notice when sliding into the driver's seat will be how comfortable and supportive the sport seats are. This will be followed quickly by the 10.2-inch fully digital cockpit in your line of vision, displaying everything relevant from the CUPRA Ateca's performance to navigation and communications. Shift your focus over to the center console and be greeted to an equally expansive 9.2-inch infotainment system, equipped with all your necessary apps and connectivity options such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Tune into your favorite channel and immerse yourself in impressive high-fidelity audio from the Ateca's 340-watt Beats audio system. The CUPRA Ateca is also equipped with a wide range of safety features that allows for occupants protection but also practical applications for other road users. But if that isn't enough, then let technology take over. At the simple push of a button, the CUPRA Ateca would park itself. In fact, why don't we head on outside now and take a look? Park Assist is an automated parking system available in all CUPRA models where the vehicle parks itself into a parking spot. Activate the Park Assist function simply by pushing the Park Assist button. This allows the onboard sensors and cameras to properly scan the available spot. The on-screen guidance system will then guide you on the various inputs required, such as when to throttle, when to brake, and if you should be in drive or reverse gears. Those are the only controls you need to focus on, as the CUPRA will maneuver itself accurately and safely into position. Alright, time now for the exciting stuff. Launch control, which is a feature available on all the CUPRA models. When the launch control feature is activated, the vehicle's onboard computer will assist the driver to accelerate with maximum power and traction from a standing start. Thanks to the comprehensive servicing, maintenance, and warranty packages offered by CUPRA Singapore, owning a vehicle has never been easier. For more information on the entire CUPRA range, do visit us at our official website, or better yet, come on down to the showroom. We hope to welcome you here real soon. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Take care.